Boys and girls, you just read a book and watched a video on adding. When we add, we put things together and we have more. We're going to watch a little bit of adding here. You are going to add with me. I have some dogs on my screen. I have a group of 2 dogs and 2 more dogs. We're going to count and put them together. Let's count. If we have 1, 2, and 2 more, we have 3, 4 all together. Let's count them again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 dogs and 2 dogs is 4 dogs. Let's try that again. 1, 2, 3, 4. So if I count, 1, 2 dogs and 2 more dogs is 4 dogs all together. Let's try another one. This time I have 1 dog plus 2 more dogs. How many dogs do I have all together? Think about it. You can use your finger and point to the dogs on the screen and count with me. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Altogether, we have 3 dogs. We can count on because we can have 1 in our head and count on 2 more. Let's try it. 1, 2, 3. So 1 dog plus 2 dogs is 3 dogs. Let's try another one. How many dogs do we have in our first group? Good. We have 3 dogs. How many dogs are we going to add? Good. We're going to add 1 dog. So 3 dogs plus 1 dog is how many altogether? Let's try it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 dogs plus 1 more dog is 4 dogs. Let's count all together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's write that number and show that 3 dogs plus 1 dog is 4 dogs all together. We're going to start learning about addition. We have lots of ways to show you that you can practice addition at home.